In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a compounded annual growth rate, or CAGR, using Tableau. This is perfect for those who need to visualize growth rates over multiple periods, and you'll be surprised at how straightforward it can be. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you have the Tableau public app open on your device. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure it's up and running. Once you're set, go ahead and access your worksheet. This is your main work area, where you'll be setting up all the data magic. Now, we're going to create a parameter. Parameters allow us to add different levels of interactivity to our data analysis. To do this, click on the drop-down arrow located in the pane and select the Create Parameter option. You'll need to name it N-year. For the data type, choose integer. This represents the number of years you'll be using for your CAGR calculation. Set its current value to 2, but you can adjust this later based on your data set. Next, we're going to create a calculated field. So go to the Analysis menu at the top and select Create Calculated Field. Name this field CAGR. This is where you'll input your growth rate formula. Once you've typed in the correct query, hit OK to save. With our calculated field ready, it's time to visualize the data in a meaningful way. Start by dragging the order date to the columns and expanding it to view by quarter. This breakdown helps us see how data trends over time. Moving forward, drag sales to rows. This is the main data we want to analyze. To make your data visual more insightful, drag the cagr field to rows next. Right-click on it and select Dual Axis. This means we're now combining the sales and growth rate data into one cohesive view. Change the display type for these axes by keeping the CAGR field as a line and changing the sum of sales to a bar. This enhances the visual representation of the data and makes it easier to compare different metrics alongside each other. Feel free to tidy up your workspace by hiding the CAGR legend. This removes any unnecessary clutter from your visualization. At this point, click on the N-year parameter and choose to show the parameter. This is particularly useful for exploring different scenarios quickly by changing the number of years in your analysis. Now, refine your graph further by dragging the legend under Marks fields and right-clicking on the CAGR pill to select Edit Table Calculation. Within this, click on Specific Dimensions and make sure to unselect Quarter of Order Date, allowing for more precise calculations. It's time to add labels for clarity. Go to the Sum Sales Marks field and drag Sales to Label. This will display actual sales figures right on your chart. In the same vein, drag Sales to the tooltip in the CAGR field to provide interactive data details. Lastly, bring some final touches by right-clicking on CAGR values. Choose Format, and under Numbers, select Percentage. This makes interpreting growth rates much more intuitive. If you want to, you can create a table view by right-clicking on the sheet and duplicating it as a crosstab. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to calculating and showcasing CAGR in Tableau. By following these steps, you can effectively present growth trends and analysis, enhancing your data storytelling prowess. Happy analyzing!